Well, if you weren't a coward, you would have sat your butt down and figured out a roundabout for the problem. Yes, load up a faceset template on your favorite art tool app, take your character faceset and copy it into the 3 other rows. I will add some mouth movements here. Crop the canvas so the one row remains, save the image as .png, and use paint.net to convert the image to 8-bit. Open up rpgmaker, click on Resource Manager, and instead of faceset, you will click on the picture folder. That is where you will be placing your freshly made asset. Load up common events in your database, give it any name you want, load up event command, page 2 and click on show picture. Pay attention to this one. Once you load up your asset, check the sprite sheet which is below the picture graphic. Press on the 3 dots, set the number of sprites as 4 horizontally, and click animated and ensure it loops after it ends. Feel free to mess around with the timing. You can set it up as a common event, but you need to add a second event below that will erase the sprite sheet upon completion, or if there is another character that needs to talk, use call event in the contents of the event editor, or you can directly add the picture in the contents. Have fun.